Thomas the tank engine wouldn't stop being a nuisance. Night after night he kept the other engines awake.
I am so tired of pushing coaches. That's all I ever do. I want to see the world.
The other engines didn't take much notice, for Thomas was a little engine with a long tongue.
Are you all right, Thomas? No, Edward. I'm just so sick of being stuck in the yard all the time. I just want to see the world. Actually, Thomas, I've got some trucks to take home tomorrow. How about you take them instead of me? You mean it, Edward? Of course. I'll do the shunting duties. Thank you, Edward. That will be nice. It's my pleasure, Thomas. But for now, I think we should get some sleep.
Next morning, Edward and Thomas asked their drivers, and when they said yes, Thomas ran off happily to find trucks. Now, trucks are silly and noisy. They talk a lot and don't attend to what they're doing, and I'm sorry to say they play tricks on an engine who's not used to it. Edward knew all about trucks. He warned Thomas to be careful, but Thomas was too excited to listen.
Come on.
Alright, don't fuss.
Woo! This is a life! Woohoo!
Thomas was feeling very proud of himself, but the trucks grew crosser and crosser. At last, Thomas slowed down as he came to Gordon's Hill.
Nearly there. Yes! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Stop pushing! Stop pushing!
Oh no! There's the station! I'm gonna crash!
Thomas?
And there, watching
What
him,
are you doing here?
was the
I brought Edward's truck, sir.
Why did you come so fast?
I didn't mean to. They were pushing me.
Thomas, you didn't tell me you were taking Edward's train. Where is Edward?
Edward's doing my duties.
Why?
Look, I wanted to take Edward's train because I'm sick of being stuck in the yard all the time. I've been in the yard for 5 years. Gordon, James and Henry don't give me any respect for what I do. I don't want to be stuck in the yard any longer. They always treat me the same way.
All right, Thomas, I understand. You have a lot to learn about trucks, and I know you want to leave the yard. How about you do some more shunting around the yard with Edward? He'll teach you more about trucks, and one day you'll know a lot about them as him. Then you'll be a really useful engine, and maybe you'll get a chance to leave the yard. Now please take these trucks back to Knapford, please.
Yes, sir.